Everyone, welcome back to my channel RMBA Routing. আশা ৰাখিছো আপোনালোক সকলো ভালে আছে আৰু আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি আলোচনা কৰিম এটা খুব ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট এডভাৰটাইজমেন্ট আৰু যিসকল ব্যক্তি বিশেষভাৱে বেংকিং সেক্টৰত আছে তেওঁলোকৰ কাৰণে খুব এটা ভাল এটা ৰিক্ৰুটমেন্ট আহিছে আৰু ৰিক্ৰুটমেন্টটো হৈছে কোড ওলাইছে দা আসাম কোঅপাৰেটিভ এপেক্স বেংক লিমিটেড আৰু তাতে ওলাইছে এডভাৰটাইজমেন্ট ফৰ দা পোষ্ট অফ assistant branch manager in the bank under officer grade E. What kiman vacancy laise ami gute kini sam aru ei apnalike dekhise post name assistant branch manager / assistant manager under officer grade E. Number of vacancies is 25 ta aru educational qualification is graduate with minimum 50% marks or postgraduate in any discipline, preferably CAIP or MBA or CA. Egita dise teoloke minimum 4 years of experience in banking in similar officers grade or above. Our age limit is a minimum 28 years or a maximum 40 years. It is to scale up pay to 31,630 to 82,290. Grade pay above 7,900. Our teoloke DA, HRA, medical allowance evlagu pabo boli dise. Our selection procedure to teoloke dise. The applicants whose applications are received in time will be shortlisted as per the eligibility criteria and will be intimated individually about the selection process. Our application fee non-refundable of 1,000. Our hekon apnaloke in favor of the Assam Cooperative Apex Bank Limited payable at Guwahati, and application forms not accompanied by application fees in the form of demand draft or pay order will be rejected. The mode of application is offline, online no hoy. Aru keneke apply koribo lage teloke di dise. Candidates complying with the above criteria may apply by downloading the application form from the bank's website. Ei website er pora apnaloke application form kon download koribo lagibo, fill up koribo lagibo. One copy of recent passport size photograph should be pasted on the application in the space specified with signature across it. That apnaloke signature mane kori dibo lagibo across, and one copy should be enclosed. Dukhon photocopy dibo lagibo. Aru baki jekini apnalokor testimonials egotekini apnaloke enclose kori dibo. Application forms accompanied by necessary enclosures have to be sent by registered. Jikono apnaloke dile hobo by speed post, hand delivery dilo no hobo apni tate goi direct dibo paribo only in a sealed envelope. Aru superscribe with post applied for ki post okone applied korise envelope to likhi dibo lagibo aru apnaloke address dibo lagibo. The managing director, the Assam Cooperative Apex Bank Limited, head office Pan Bazar, ASB Road, Guwahati, Kamrup. Our selected candidates will be required to produce a valid discharge certificate from the present employer before joining the service. In case of in-service candidates, mane relieving letter apnaloke dibo lagibo ba discharge letter apnaloke dibo lagibo. General condition kini apnaloke pohi labo. Khali important eta ma korisu, candidates will not be admissible for TA traveling allowance for appearing in the interview. Next important date to hoise je 29 June 2024 last date aru 5ta bajar agote apnaloke application kon jitu address support kolu he address ot apnaloke pabo lagibo, mane tat paboge lagibo, titia apnaloke etu valid boli teoloke count koribo. Baki disclaimer to apnaloke sai lobo aru etu asile eta information. Jodi apnaloke video to bhal paise nishoy eta like kori dibo, share koribo na paribo, logote mor channel to subscribe kori rakhibo. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.